So here I open the Python command line and I wrote a code. Then I created a variable which is name, input, enter your name, then upper. It will converts the letters to uppercase. Then print hello plus the name that the user will input. Then for the number calculation, num1 float input enter first number, and the second number num2 float input enter second number. Then it will print sum, then the total of the two numbers. First I will input my name, then hello Jambi. It the my name is uppercase because of this string manipulation. Then enter first number of 5, 5, sum is 10. Then in my IDE I use Visual Code. So then I created a variable which is name. Hello, I'm Jambi.upper. Then next variable age, in input enter age. Then print name. It will print the hello, I'm Jambi. Then in my conditional statement, I use if else. If age is greater than 18, it will print you are allowed to enter. Then if you are below 18, you are not allowed to enter. Then for my for loop, I range for I and range 3, print I. So this for loop, it will run 3 times. Then for my I also created a list: school, SMC, ICC, ICHS. Then school append, uh, ICCS. It will add on the list. Then school that remove ICNHS, the ICNHS will remove in the list. Then print school. Then the output enter age, 21. Hello, I'm Jambi. All the letters are uppercase because of this string manipulation. Then you are allowed to enter because I input 21, then 012. Because of this for loop, it will start 0, then 1, 2. It it will it run 3 times. So yeah. Then school, SMC, ICC, ICCS. So the ICNHS was removed. Then the ICCS was added.